Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching just at click.com, and today's video is a great video out here because it is dedicated to one of the most popular variant by Dell Latitude series, that is Dell Latitude 6530 out here. A very interesting model and quite popular model out here because this variant out there was basically most popular because user could really interact with this gadget, or we can say were more confident and more comfortable working on this gadget out there. So when we talk about this gadget, let us talk about the specifications first. Talking about specifications, let us talk about the processor first. And the processor out here, or the CPU out here, is actually by Intel Core i5 third generation. Yes, Intel Core is really an amazing version out here when it comes to the internal processing out there. One of the most trustworthy and widely used processing system out there. And now talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good clock speed, that is the base clock speed out here, which is 2.5 gigahertz. Along with that, you get to have a max turbo speed of 3.1 gigahertz. So we can say overall, it is offering you a good speed out there. The processing works very well with the clock speed and the base speed out there. Apart from that, you will also get to see that it is having mobile Intel Express chip system of QM77 years. The chip system out here working with the core system out there. Initially, it used to be that core was a different part and the chip system was a different part, and they used to collaborate and work. But nowadays, yes, definitely nowadays, as the evolution takes place, they can be embedded together out there. So you get to see mobile Intel QM77 Express chip system out here. Along with that, you also get to see hyper-threading technology. Yes, it offers you hyper-threading technology along with Intel Smart Cache. Yes, Intel Smart Cache as well as Intel Turbo Boost technology. So these kind of specifications could be seen out on this variant. Now, when we're talking this Intel Smart Cache, then what is this Smart Cache all about? It is that the speed and the working of the gadget is not affected much out there. Might be the cache memory is not sufficient, but that is quite sufficient for the working of the gadget out there. It offers you 3 MB installed size cache memory. Yes, 3 MB installed size of cache memory could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a good RAM, because RAM is also an important part of any gadget. Yes, RAM plays an important part because storage is really second most important part after the display and the screen size out there. Talking about the RAM, we can say that it offers you approximately 4 GB installed size. This 4 GB is the install size offered out by this gadget with a configuration of one slot for each. Like, you will get one slot for 4 GB installed RAM, whereas expandable could be seen out here because sometimes 4 GB is not sufficient. Now, what kind of RAM does it offers? What kind of technology it offers? It offers you DDR3 RAM type. Along with that, you get to see the speed of the memory speed, we can say, or the rated memory speed out here to be 1600 megahertz. So 1600 megahertz, not at all a bad variant out there. It offers you a good speed. As well as DDR3 RAM type could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to have a good interface with the storage because offering you good interface is really important when you work with gadgets with high storage or low storage out there. Talking about this variant, 4 GB RAM sometimes is not suitable for every user. They might need more RAM. So for that purpose, they have introduced the maximum support size out there, that is the expandable size of 16 GB. Yes, you get to have 16 GB expandable size. This is because you have two slot stations and each slot carries 4 GB out here, or might be more than that. So maximum support size offered out here is 16 GB. When you're talking about this variant, let us talk about the hard drive storage because that also determines the storage part, and hard drive is actually the main storage part out here. And talking about it, it has got a hard drive storage of approximately 320 GB. Yes, 320 GB is the hard drive storage out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you hard drive in the form of HDD. Yes, HDD is the hard drive format offered out by this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that the variant out here offers you a spindle speed because HDD format hard drive is there, so you get to have a good spindle speed. And talking about the speed, it offers you 7,200 RPM speed. That is 7,200 RPM speed could be seen out on this variant. So overall, if you talk about this variant, then it is definitely good in the storage. Processing and chip system is also working very well out there. Now, what is the most important factor which we see at the first glance? That is the display look out there. Talking about the look, let us talk about the first size of this gadget. It is approximately 39.6 centimeters in the size. Yes, the screen out here is approximately 39.6 centimeters out there. While you will get to see that it offers you LED screen. It offers you LED display out here with backlight technology, HD resolution out there, which is the display resolution. Anti-glance featuring. So you get to have a LED backlight anti-glance featuring HD resolution display, or you can say LED backlight HD resolution anti-glance featuring display. So this kind of a display is seen. This version out here offers you great range of specifications. Along with that, it offers you a good working with the gadget because the screen is good, display is good out here, as well as you get to see a good range out there. But what is the another important thing when we see the display is the graphical part. Because the video output out there, colors out there, or when we talk about these things like the multimedia part, these are the things which we see. Recording out there, so these are the things controlled by the graphics out there. Graphical processor is really important out there. So talking about the graphics, it offers you Intel HD Graphics 4000. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 4000 could be seen out on this variant, which is definitely a good version. Along with that, you get to have an integrated webcam with student speakers, microphones out here. And you also get to see that it was offering you good sound quality. Yes, sound quality is really important because when we talk about any laptop, sound quality plays a very important role out there. Talking about these things, let us talk about the connectivities. It offers you good connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB 2, USB 3 connectivity, audio connectivity out there by audio input output jack, power connectivity out there. You get to have an optical drive connectivity, yes. An optical drive connectivity could be seen out in this variant too. Now, when we talk about these kind of things, we can say that SD card in connectivity is also an additional point. Now, every connectivity is possible. What about the battery life? Because battery is also important because that determines the weight of any gadget. Talking about the battery, it offers you 6-cell lithium ion 60-volt battery. Yes, 6-cell lithium ion 60 volts battery is being offered out in this variant. So overall, if we talk about this variant, it is a quite good version out here to be used in the corporate world. But when we are talking about the gadgets, apart from specifications, apart from its functionality, pricing is also an important part because pricing determines whether the gadget is worth it or not. And talking about the pricing, let us visit out this website that is justatclick.com. This website, which is justatclick.com, offers you a great offering of gadgets from reputed brands, as well as it offers you huge savings because gadgets are usually in pocket friendly rates. At this website, which is justatclick.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, you can customize your gadgets accordingly, so you can have a customizability option also. If it has been allotted by the company, you can customize your gadgets according to that. Now let us search this gadget in this search icon so that we come to know about the gadget out here. So this is the result out here offered by us, and we get to see that it has got a good specifications out there. Apart from that, you also get to see that every gadget is coming with refurbished condition. Refurbished, refurbished, refurbished. So let us first talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that they are absolutely brand new. Like, yes, you will find that they are brand new like gadgets. They have the same structural design, everything is same, outlook is same. Along with that, you get to see the same functionality out there. Talk about anything in that gadget, like the display out here, the screening out there, the design, the weight out there, so everything is same. You can see that refurbished, certified refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. Like, they are absolutely same like products out there, as well as they are same in the testing parameters. They have the same functionality, same design, everything is same out there. Apart from that, let us talk about why refurbished products are slightly different from the brand new. Refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadget by refurbished. Refurbished word itself means creating something new, like, and which it is creating something new from what? A pre-owned thing out there. So this is what happens in refurbished or certified refurbished products. They are pre-owned gadgets. Now, when we talk about the pathway, because how this pre-ownization happens out there. So this happens in the brand new pathway only. Now, what happens in the brand new? A company releases its gadget first time into the market. Yes, first time they are releasing a gadget into the market. And when they are releasing a gadget in the market, they get to see that the product is for the very first time, it is named as brand new. It is brought up in the marketplace. From this marketplace, different users buy it. Yes, users like us, we are the users, we buy this brand new gadget. Now this terminates the brand new cycle out here. Yes, this terminates the brand new cycle for that particular gadget. And when we talk about this gadget, then we can say that the gadget now with the user is a pre-owned gadget, pre-owned brand new gadget, we can say. Yes, this is a pre-owned brand new gadget offered out by that user. No, the user has that gadget. It's the pre-owned gadget by the user. Now, what happens? That user wants to sell that gadget off, or the person here does not want to use that gadget anymore and wants to resell it. So it is brought up into the marketplace, and this is the pathway followed out in the refurbished category. Now, what is this refurbished category? What kind of things it happens? Now, when we talk about this refurbished category or refurbished pathway, this user out here with a pre-owned gadget sells off this pre-owned gadget or the gadget it has to a website or a marketplace out here. Yes, they sell off their gadgets to the marketplace out there. Along with that, you get to see that the gadget has been resold under the condition of refurbished to the new user. Yes, the new user out here has that gadget under the category of refurbished. Now, what are these refurbished things in this? Refurbished is something like a gadget has been pre-owned by a user, has been used for a while, and then has been replaced, renewed, or we can say tested, verified, approved for each and every testing, then sold it off to another user. This is what happens in refurbished. We can also say that the brand new product or the refurbished products are co-linked because refurbished is the extension to brand new. Yes, every brand new gadget becomes refurbished, or we can say every refurbished gadget. Yes, every refurbished gadget was once a brand new gadget. This is actually a saying out there by a refurbished product. Now, when we say about these refurbished products out there, uh, the only difference lies out in this pathway is the testing sites. Yes, the testing site differs out. What happens is a company, before bringing out into the marketplace, tests that gadget on various websites, on various sites out there for each and every parameter, whether it's internal components, external components, it's dimension, anything it could be. They have to be tested and verified on different sites before releasing into the market. But what happens is when a user for that pre-owned gadget is selling off that gadget to a marketplace, it is tested and verified on that particular site before reselling to another user. Yes, before reselling or buying, it has to be tested and verified. So this is the main difference out in the pathway offered out by this brand new and refurbished gadgets. Now let us talk about the parameters, because we know that testing parameters are important out there, as well as you get to see that the gadgets out here offer the same design, same functionality, same testing and approving out there. So talking about the parameters, there are basically two parameters involved: external parameters and internal parameters. You get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now talking about the external parameters, these parameters do not require any software, any tool out there, or does not require any specialized equipment, because it is a direct through eyes process, because you can directly see what kind of parameters you would like to see, like whether it has scratch or not. For example, or the things or the parameters in the external parameters are like scratches, scratch proof things out there, display, screen size, battery life, charging capacity, buttons, placement of button, intactness out there, working of each and every button, touchpad out there, whether the touchpad is working or not. If it's a rotational gadget, then whether it can rotate or not. If it is not a rotational gadget, then is it a notebook? What kind of a gadget it is? So these kind of things, like integrated webcam out there, capturing resolution or capturing capacity of that gadget, sound quality, jack systems out there, connectors out there. So everything which can be externally checked out without any equipment, any software, is known as external parameter in that gadget. Whereas in the internal parameters, you required highly designed softwares, tools, equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parts. Yes, you get to test internal parts out here. Now talking about these internal parts, what are these internal parts all about? These includes the processor, speed, RAM, cache out there, internal storage out there, the speed of each and every processor out there in core system, spindle speed, RAM speed out there, everything has to be verified. Each and every part has to be verified. Graphics, what kind of graphics does it uses? If it's not working, the connector is not working, whether the pins are working or not. So whether it is same power or not, the internal capacities, everything, each and every section has to be verified. Once it is verified, it is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished products, depending upon what the company would name it, but they are actually same. Certified refurbished or refurbished products are actually same. Now what if a gadget fails in any of the parameter, any of the tests out there? If it fails in any of the parameter, it is nullified out there. Or if it can be renewed, if it can be replaced, any part could be replaced, anything is damaged and it could be replaced, then it is replaced out there and renewed and termed as refurbished product. So it is important to pass all the parameters out there. It cannot fail in any of the parameter, and if it fails out, it is not listed on the website. Now let us talk about the benefits. But why are we talking about refurbished products? Because there must be some benefits out there. Talking about refurbished products, number one benefit comes out to be the pocket friendly rating. Yes, if you talk about the rates out there, brand new products are actually expensive out there. Yes, you will find that brand new products are quite expensive and they might be slightly higher in the pocket out there. Whereas the refurbished products are actually less expensive, quite pocketable as compared to brand new. So they are quite good in the rating out there. Since there is a difference in the pricing out here, so you get to have a good amount of savings. Yes, you can have a good amount of savings out there, because difference in pricing lies out the difference in savings out there. We know that brand new products offers you a warranty period, 1 year warranty, exchange policies out there. These are offered out by brand new gadgets. But what would happen if you directly buy any pre-owned gadget? Yes, if you buy any pre-owned gadget, what would happen? Usually, we don't get any warranty period with pre-owned gadgets if we directly buy it through someone. But if you have a condition or a product type condition written as refurbished, you get to have refurbished condition out there. You get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy could be seen out there. So this is what happens in refurbished products: 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy, pocketable rate, savings, a huge amount of savings we can say. So all these things could be seen out on this variant. Now, when we are going to see these kind of benefits, so why not we try this gadget once? And to try, let us visit out the website once again. The website name justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. The website itself says you are just a click away from your gadget, your favorite device out there. Whereas this site offers you mostly refurbished products out there, offering you large selection, so you can have a good or a wide range of collection out there from your top brands, reputed brands, your favorite brands out there. You get to have great deals, offering you amazing pricing, pocketable rating out here, and less expensive, we can say, price, or the best market price, we can say, are offered out at this website. Along with that, you get to have a huge savings. Yes, you get to have a huge saving, because savings is really important nowadays. We love to have savings, and this site offers you huge savings because it offers you difference in the pricing. Along with that, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have a 6 months warranty period along with that. Since you are having a 6 months warranty out there, this site offers you a option that is customizability option, COD option out there, as well as free shipping, exchange policy. So you get to have these option also. Now, what are this customizability option? Firstly, customizability option offered out by justatclick.com offers you to customize your gadgets if it has been allotted by the company, like RAM, processor, storage out there. These kind of things could be customized if the company has allotted any customization to it. Whereas COD is available along with free shipping. Yes, you get to have free shipping out here. Uh, Free shipping is there, and free home delivery is there. You get to have money back guarantee, that is the 7 exchange policy out there. Online support system could be seen out here, a large collection, search icon to search your gadgets. So overall, this site offers you a great range of things out there. Talking about these things, you can visit out the website by Google. Just type justatclick.com, or you can visit out the description for the link. It has the link and a helpline number. You can check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.